Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to be happening in tomorrow's market about the Sensex weekly expiry. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis and also the weekly analysis that what I have discussed previously. In weekly time frame, Sensex gives the breakdown today's Fibonacci level, that means 50% golden level, 50%, 60% level. By seeing this level, if you have entered in the market, means it would be the bull trap, that means it means the bear trap. So based on the in Nifty 50, if you have seen this market came downside, it fills the gap in the day time frame and again closes inside the 50% level. That means now market is in the proper against the proper Fibonacci level. In Sensex, slightly market is in the below the Fibonacci level, this means golden level. So this indicates that bear trap. How the market will trap the retailers means it will gives you the signal by giving the breakdown candle, but again after some time again it will close within this range. But sometimes after 1 or 2 days again it will close within this range. Why I am showing you this in weekly time frame is this is the weekly time frame candle. If you have seen this in day time frame candle, means there will be the multiple candle. One will be the green candle, one will be the next will be the red candle, and the first one will be the green candle, the next one will be the red candle, the third candle will be the hammer candle, and it closes all above these 2 candles. That means if you have seen this in weekly time frame, it can be seen as a, that means it can be like a hammer candle. So don't get into the trap at this type of level. Suppose if you want to enter at this type of level, means after the breakdown of this range, again we have to wait for the retest, and after some time after the price action level, that means it has to give the breakdown of the lower lows. See, after breaking the level, again after the retest of this level, and also after it has to give the breakdown of this lower lows level. This will be gives you the confirmation of the trend. When you don't have the confirmation of the trend, you don't need to enter blindly. If you have entered blindly, means it would be the trap. If you get into the trap, means automatically then firstly you will get some negative P&L in the market, and after that negative P&L in the market, again we will try to recover that amount again and again. That negative will become big loss, and as a result at the end of the day we will get into the trap of this type of entries. So try to avoid these type of entries at this level, and also try to wait at the key levels. Don't enter aggressively in the key levels. If you have entered in the key levels aggressively, means it will gives you the bigger losses in the market. Now let us discuss about this 15 minutes time frame, about this tomorrow's expiry, the Sensex expiries, Sensex weekly expiry. What happened yesterday? Also it opened gap down opening. After the gap down opening, what happened? It closes at the top. Again today also gap down opening, market came downside, and again it closes at the top. It indicates that it's a buying pressure in the market. See here, it's a low. After reaching this candle, market, that means after the first 15 minutes candle, market becomes sideways totally sideways. Afternoon, that means after 12 o'clock, market gives the pullback towards upside and closes at the top, which indicates the good buying momentum and also buying pressure in the market. Now we have discussed yesterday that this will be the support. Why? Because this after the breakout of this resistance, market will take the support. I have expected this. Why? Because this is by seeing the pressure of the buying momentum and buyers, I have expected that there will be some momentum we can expect towards upside. But what happened? It directly gives the candle closes below this range, and also it didn't waited at this level also. I have mentioned this at the order block. At this level also market didn't wait. So if market not waited at that point, means we don't need to enter. That means it's not a good sign for the buying momentum or also the reversal. So after becoming the sideways, again market closes at the top, it's a good sign. Now what is going to be happening tomorrow's market based on the opening? If tomorrow opens flat or gap up opening, means after the breakout we have this day high, we can expect the first target as the 74,800 will be the first target, and also the next target will be the 75,000 round level will be the next target we can expect towards upside. Or if market opens below this 74,000 round level, means we can expect the day's low as the first target, and from here we can expect the reversal. Why? Because I am expecting the reversal as there is a order block at the bottom. This is the order block. So based on that I am expecting, and also why I am mentioning this 74,000 round level, breakdown means this is the 50% level, and also this is the order block. There is an order block at this 50% level. This is the rare combination. So at this point, if market waited in the lower time frame, if there is any confirmation, means I will go for entry by keeping the stop loss at the low, at the below, and by keeping by keeping the stop loss at the below the Fibonacci level, and the first target will be the day's high, and the next target will be the 75,000 round level will be the target I'll plan for tomorrow based on the opening. Or if market directly opened below the 74,000 round level, means I will wait at this level. If market waited at this level and any confirmation in the lower time frame, means I will plan accordingly towards upside. Or if market directly opens gap down opening, and also it gives the breakdown of this range, means I don't want to take any entries toward tomorrow, and I will avoid the trading for tomorrow. Why? Because I don't have any confirmation whether the market is going to be move downside continuously, or again after the momentum towards upside, again there is a chances for the market will close. Why? Because these are the stop losses for the buyers. If market directly opens, means directly open gap down opening below this range, means after the retest of this level and after the breakdown of this lower low only, I will plan for the trading tomorrow. And also one more point, if it directly opens gap down opening, means I have mentioned previously that if it gap down or gap up open, if it breakout or breakdown happened by the gap up and gap down, means it won't sustain. So because of that, if it opens directly gap down below this range, means again there is a chances for market to be closed within this range. So I will wait, and I will plan according to the price action based on the tomorrow's market. If it is open directly gap down opening below this range, that means below previous low. If it opens near to the 74,000 round level, means I will wait after the confirmation at the smaller time frame and plan accordingly towards upside. And thank you, and this is my view.